Alright, here I'm going to show you the Wi-Fi configuration of this IP camera. First of all, I have just powered this IP camera on and I have reset it to default setting. Well, you can see there is a black button on the back. Okay, press and hold it. You see, it has been powered on already. Okay, press and hold the reset button here.
Reset to default setting.
Well, you can see it has been reset to default setting. And I'm gonna show you how to add a new camera from the beginning now. Well, first open the app on your smartphone. You can see there is a UC here. Okay, open it. And the device has... Well, you can see I have just powered it on and the IP camera has already been self-checking. It's turning around, you can see. And within a while you're gonna hear a notification, start configuration. Well, you can see.
Start configuration.
Well, you can see, you can hear the notification that the IP camera has started configuration. Okay, when you hear that notification on your smartphone, first, well, on your smartphone, you can see there is a plus button on the right top corner. You can see, click it, and there is a smart link. Okay, first of all, you can see when you power on the camera and wait for connection sound from the camera. Okay, we have just here the start configuration, and we are going next. And I have this is the Wi-Fi network you want to connect your IP camera. Choose the hotspot and input the password. Okay, I'm using default as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and done. Okay, next. And now you can see this is how SmartLink works. You are going to turn up the volume of the mobile phone and close to the device. Next. You see, my smartphone is making a noise for the IP camera to finish Wi-Fi configuration, and it has just made a notification waiting for Wi-Fi configuration. Well, you can see after a while setting has been success. Okay, and at this stage you're gonna set a access password for the IP camera, and it requires a letter and a number at the same time. I'm gonna show you the easy one, so I'm using QWE123 as default. You can use your own password as well.
Start configuration.
Okay, done. Save. Okay, operate successfully. Now you can see I have this IP camera online already. Click it to get a preview. Okay, there might be something wrong with the Wi-Fi network, so I'm gonna reset the password. You might run into some problem at the first time, but don't worry, you can simply reset the camera and do this again. And since this is a once for all problem, it means that you are going only to make this configuration like once, and you'll never need to do this again. So if you run into some problem, try again some more times, it will be okay. Save, operate successfully, online. Click it to get a preview. Well, we're getting some interference here. Okay, you can see that's okay. I'm gonna show you the pen and tilt function. Wow, the pen and tilt function. You can see it's going up. We're getting some interference here because they're too close, and the microphone has picked up some noise. Well, you can see the P2Z function works quite fine. Okay, thank you. now I'm gonna show you how to add your remote control and your alarm sensors. Well, you can see this is your device list in your smartphone app. There's a setting app here, setting button here. Well, you can see setting. Okay, now we're in, and you can see there's quite a lot of setting menus here. First, in alarm settings. Well, first of all, we need to choose to receive alarm from the sensors. Okay, it has been on, and buzzer should be on. That's the alarm buzzer on your IP camera. It should be on. Well, since I'm at home now, so I'm trying not to make too much noise. So back and to add these alarm sensors in defense area settings. Well, you can see there's quite some list here. I'm gonna use a remote control, for example. Okay, the other sensors are basically the same. Well, here I'm using remote control as an example. The other sensors are basically the same. First, hit remote, and there is a learn code. And you can see click OK to trigger the wireless sensor of code. Okay, choose OK, and then press a button. Well, you can see it has, when we press the button on the remote control, it has sent out a signal, and the camera has picked up the signal. So this code has been learned. Okay, now we're okay, and basically the other sensors like door sensor and PIR sensor are basically the same. You can simply power it on and trigger the alarm, and the code will be learned. Okay, now you can see the remote has been learned. Well, you can see there's 3 buttons here. There is a lock to open the defense area alarm, and there is a unlock to close the defense area alarm. I'm just gonna show you from here. Well, you can see there is a little status. There might be some delay with it, so I'm gonna do with the camera. Well, let's see. Start alarm. Well, you can hear this beep sound from the IP camera. This means the camera has been, the alarm mode has been on. Well, that's what you do when you leave home from work for work or something else. That you don't want to leave your home unguarded. Okay, and when you are home, you don't want to hear false alarms from the camera. So please close the alarm system. Well, you can see you hear 3 beep sound from the camera. This means that the alarm system has been closed, and this is a test button. When you press this, the camera will start alarm automatically. Already. Well, I'm going to show you. You hear it? That's quite loud. Okay, thank you. One more thing. You see, when I trigger this alarm here, you will receive a notification on your smartphone app. You can see, you'll see cam emergency alarm. Okay, that's how you make this configuration. Okay, thank you.